Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about the lookup function in Excel. Okay, lookup function look up for a value or searches a value and extract that value from one table to another table. Today we are going to learn VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP searches a value vertically, whereas the HLOOKUP searches a value horizontally. Okay, and another function is match, which return a position of a value in a row or column. This is an example of VLOOKUP where I need to find the name of this employee from this table. Okay, if I do manually, I searches for each person and copy that name and write here also the age. Okay, for this you see a small table, so this is manageable task. Though it takes the time, but it is manageable. But you have more than thousands row. That time it is difficult. In this table also you have 4,000-5,000 rows, and in this table you have 200 or 300 rows. That time it is difficult. So that is why we are using the lookup function equal to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Okay, and it is searches from the first column also. When you are taking the table range, whatever your lookup value is there, it should be present in the first column of that range. Okay, now I need to fix that range, because when I am dragging and dropping this formula in the next cells, this reference should be fixed. Next is column index name. So in this range, the name is in second column. This is first column, second column, third column and fourth column. Name present in the second column. And I want exact match, comma, true, that means approximate match, and false is exact match. So click here false or write here false. Okay, close the range and hit enter. Same thing, but if I drag and drop here, you see the names are from the employer are there. Now if I write some more name here, okay, and I just drag this column, so automatically I get the name of that employee. Similarly, age, we lookup value is employee ID. This time if I take the whole range, you will see an error will be generated. Okay, comma. So if I take the whole, not E, it should be F, the range. Now the age is in fifth column, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, comma, exact match, false, you need to write. So any, not a number or value not available in a range. What happened here? See, this is a lookup value and it search in the first column. It doesn't find it. Why? Because I have serial number. That is why I need to take this range not from B2 to F17, but from B4, C4 to F14, and I need to fix. When I'm dragging and dropping this range, it should be fixed. If I hit enter, again I'm going to get a reference error. Why? Because I changed the range, but I didn't change the column index. In this range, I have only the 4 columns, but here I write 5. I need to change this 5 to 4. Why? Because age is present in 4th column index. Just drag and drop these things, so I get the number. Next is HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP is same as a VLOOKUP. The only difference that it look up the value horizontally. Let's see it by example. Equal to HLOOKUP. The formula is same, method is same. Here it is asking a lookup value. So this is my lookup value. And next is table array. So this is my table array. Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow to select the table. And here I need to make it fixed. So click F4. Next, comma, row index. It is searches row wise. Okay. So name is present in second row, first, second, third and fourth. In this range, name is present in second row. And again the false means exact match. Hit enter. So it extracting the name from this table of this employee. Okay, if I just drag and drop, I got the name. Before going to search the age, let's see what is match function look like. Equal to match. What it does, it returns the position of an item in an array that match a specific value. Okay, before that I first write a specific value. For example, age. I wanted this the index number of this age in this example. Okay, equal to match. Lookup value is age. Array is this array, or we can say range, and exact match 0. You need to write this 0. Close it, hit enter. So age is in 4th row. Okay, here equal to HLOOKUP. Lookup value is again employee ID, comma, range. Okay, this range I need to be fixed. I need to make it fixed. Next is row index. Already we know at 4th position it is present. If I write 4 comma and the exact match false, hit enter. So 20. Okay, instead of this 4, if I write the match function here, what happened? It changed dynamically. Okay, how? For example, again this match, I will write here age and the same formula. I'll just copy here and paste it here. Before that I just remove this thing. Paste here. 20 I found. Okay. But instead of this 4, that is row index, I'm going to write a match function. Match. What lookup value age? It should match in which lookup array? This lookup array. And the type is exact match. If I hit enter, you see 20. So what is difference here? Here also I have 20. Sorry, here I didn't fix that match. Okay, F40. So this should be fixed. Okay. F10. I'm just fixing my this row. In 10th row is there and F is column. Okay. Again this also I need to fix. F1 F4 for absolute fix. Hit enter. This is 20. Okay. If now see the numbers are same. But if I change this from age to gender, it changed the gender. If I change this age to what name, it changed the name. Why? Because I didn't give here, I didn't give hard coded. I didn't search for the column or row index and hard coded. Here I hard coded that index. What happened? Okay. Here in match function, it find this index automatically. Whatever written here, it find index from this range and it returns the value. Okay, that is really helpful and dynamic thing. In VLOOKUP also we can find like that. Okay, equal to VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value. Okay, this is my range. Again into this range I need to make it absolute F4 comma column index. Instead of writing instead of hard coding 1 2 3, instead of writing 3, I will write a match function here. What is my lookup value? This company name, whatever present here, and this should be fixed also. Even I can do like this in K column and I fix the row 33 lookup array. This is my lookup array. This section is my lookup array. And I want exact match 0. Close the bracket. Now comma. So this is instead of 4 I write this thing. Okay. Comma lookup. Range lookup. I want exact match. That means false. Close the bracket. So this is my apple. Okay. So write app play. Now what happened here? This range I need to be fixed. What happened in next section? The range is changed to the first row. Okay. So that is why I need to fix this range also. F4 to fix that. Now if I drag and drop, See, if I change the company to ID, it returns me the ID number. If I change it to the country, it returns the country. Okay, that is how the match function is really helpful to extract the column or index position. This is nothing but the lookup function and the match function in Excel. So in next video.